Come test drive this 2013 Toyota 4Runner. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, a power seat, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.